they took our bags and stored them for us. And now we're heading to the cruise terminal 1. We have express check-in, so hopefully everything goes pretty quickly. I'm excited. In the general boarding line. Once we get on, I'll come back and give y'all a quick update.
If you've already checked in, we ask that you
Express? Yes. Yes. The express line is very short.
See if this works. Sometimes it glares.
So if you don't do express, you are stuck waiting in these lines over here. And back here was the express line. There's literally nobody waiting compared to the non-express side. So do express, answer all the questions, upload your passport, all your documents before you leave home so that you can just literally hop right on board within 10 minutes. It's now 12:41, and we started at 12:38. Hey, all right, 12:42, we are on board. Get your photos. I don't want one. We're gonna keep going. Wait to get on board. We are almost on board. It's 12:44. So our muster station is E2, right behind this car. E2 muster station. So we done our muster station check-in. We're waiting now. It is about 12:51. And our rooms won't be ready until about 1:30. Our key should be waiting for us at our room. So of course we'll do a room tour later. Right now we're just waiting, walking around, exploring the ship, getting acclimated to the ship as quickly as we can because this is a very, very quick sailing, only 3 days. So if you ever cruise on the biggest ship in the world, you know that it's not enough time. But I'm excited to take you all along with me on this adventure on the Utopia of the Seas by Royal Caribbean. All right, let's see what we can get into this week.
Everybody, I'd like to thank our housekeeping cleaning team for doing such a quick turnaround today. So once again, your staterooms are now open.
Staterooms are open. We can go.
Have a wonderful day, everybody.
On floor 6. You have to press 6. You have to press your floor. And then it'll tell you what elevator? D. So we're getting on elevator D6. It's D5.
Thanks, everybody.
Coming. Friday. All right, we made it to our 6th floor. We're close to the spot. We're waiting. Trying to find our room. I think we're in this section here, 627. 8 is the room number, so let's try it. Yeah, outside staterooms. I don't know, let's try it. Let's see. They already have luggage up here sitting by the doors. They're moving really fast. It's 107.
I think they want some of that in here.
232. 236. We're looking for 238?
78.
78. A long way to go. We're looking for 278 and we're at 194. All right, we're in the 200s.
It does, but also you're on a boat. It's like they can find you.
274, 276, and 278. So apparently the first number is your deck and the last three numbers is your room number. Very confusing because we were looking for room 6278. But that's not how it works. And here's our key. We got our key. Let's open the door. All right, here is the room. Let's do a quick whoopie spin around. Look at this room, y'all. We are on the Royal Caribbean Utopia of the Seas. And this is a very special cruise for me because this is my birthday cruise. I decided to book myself a cruise this summer for my birthday, which is June 23rd. And I also upgraded myself to a balcony. Typically, I get an inside cabin, but we're on a new ship, doing some new things. We wanted something new, and that's the balcony. We're gonna go out there in a minute. Hubby normally waits outside while I give y'all a quick room tour. So let me do that real quick so he can come in. Hold on. You come through the door, you have, that's the door. And I don't know what that is. I guess the lights maybe, I don't know. We'll find out. Here is the bathroom. Nice, look at that. Plenty of places to put your things, storage, sink, towels, trash, toilet, a nice shower with a glass door, not that curtain. Nice closet. This is a sofa, which usually on cruise ships it does turn into a bed. I think this is our light. Hold on, y'all. I'm wondering if we turn the lights on like this. There we go. We didn't need that. So this is a sofa, which I think turns into a bed, and they'll come do that for you. So here is another closet, safe, drawer space. You have your bed here, which can be two twin beds if you want. I believe they can turn it into a twin. Each bed has a little nightstand. Let's check out the charger. Ooh, so they have plenty of charge. So each nightstand has a USB and a regular charger. Perfect. And a little light. What else? All right, we have a television. Let me zoom back out. And on the television, you have the home. There's safety information, live TV, video on demand, and then ship information. And then, of course, you can check your account. I guess these are little hooks where you can hang things. Let's see. Let's test it out. Let's take off that purse, child. Yes. You can hang up your purse. Great. Let's come on over here. There's another nightstand and a telephone. That's wonderful. And then we have our balcony. Oh, look at the balcony. Let's go out. Let's see if we can get out of here. All right, you gotta lift it up and then over. And this is the balcony, y'all. Look, it comes with 2 chairs, a table, and of course the views. Look at this, harbor or port. This is Port Canaveral. Those are the Disney ships back there. I am so excited about this cruise. Ooh, it's a fly. I'm so excited about this cruise, y'all. I can't wait to take y'all around this ship. Again, we are on the Utopia of the Seas. It is one of the biggest ships that Royal Caribbean has. I think they may have a bigger one by now, but this is one of the biggest for sure in their fleet of ships. And I'm so excited. I'm gonna give y'all as much content on this ship as I can. We're only on here for 3 days. 3 days, 4 nights, not a long time. And we don't have a sea day, not at all. So tomorrow we getting on, we getting off. The next day we getting off. And the 3rd day we're back at home. So we get off tomorrow in Nassau. The day after that, perfect day at Coco Cay. And the day after that, we're back at home, y'all. So, I'm gonna enjoy this cruise, but I'm gonna give you as much coverage of things to do on this ship as I possibly can. All right, see you later. Oh, one other thing you have is you have this desk which comes with a hair dryer, or I guess it's a not a desk but a dresser. Lots of information. If you want breakfast, you can hang that on your door. There's a breakfast menu, room service menu. This is what you can get delivered. And then mini bar, big convenience, and stateroom beverage order form. So I guess if you want things from the bar, like soda, you can get those delivered with that form. And then they have this little mini fridge here, which is nice. And then here is your vanity area, or if you have work to do, that can double as your desk area. And they have some little information here about the specials and things to do on board. But of course, they have all this information in the app too. So I definitely recommend you get in the app. And then there's a full-length body mirror. All right, and of course your little trash can, which we just threw away something in there. So I can't wait. I'm so excited, y'all. I'm so excited. This trip, I've been planning it for months, and I'm finally here, finally on this trip. And I'm just looking forward to have as much fun as I can. I hope I can get enough content for you all, but at the same time, balance having a great birthday trip. So whatever I get is what I'm gonna get, and I'll share it. Whatever I get, I'll share it. Here's a picture with the cruise ship. Look at all that. Slides and all kind of fun stuff. This is the Pretty Bird drink. Pretty good. I'll grab something quick, a slice of pizza, enjoy our drink, and walk around. Veggie, chicken, cheese, pepperoni. Hey, can I have 2 veggie and 1 chicken? Thank you. We decided to start the day off with some pizza and then find the other restaurants. The pizza is like right here. So I got veggie pizza and a slice of chicken pizza. It's my chicken and my veggie with the side of ranch. Here's a picture or view of the slides, y'all. And of course, the kiddie area, the splash pad. The line for the slides are very long, and I think they have about 2-3 different slides. One unique thing about this ship is that it's kind of broken up. They have the little piece in the middle where you have other interior balcony staterooms, and then you have to choose a side once you get up to floor 15 and 16 if you want to be on the right side or the left side. Oh, there's an orange slide on the other side over there. Y'all see that? So I guess on both sides you can access a slide, but there looks like there's only one splash pad area, and then on the other side there's just a pool. So a nice little balance. And then they have these cozy coconut cabanas up here that you can rent. You can do that. You can rent these little cabanas in the app before your cruise if you want shade, which wouldn't have been a bad idea today. But I do believe they were pretty pricey. I have to go back in the app. It might be too late to rent them, but I didn't think they were worth it. And then they're kind of up here out the way but you do have shade. There's a couple of bars, a DJ, and right now this is just a party mode. 1:30 party that lasts for about an hour, and at 3:45 they'll have the sail away party. So that has not started yet. So I'll come back on at 3:45 and let y'all see what the sail away party looks like. All right. I think I lost. The time has cut off and we weren't done, but I think I lost. I think it was what, 3-2? I was on that ass.